Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the top 15 common mistakes people make with DIY skincare and how you can avoid them. Trust me, I get it. The allure of creating your own concoctions with natural ingredients is real. You feel empowered, in control of what goes on your skin. And let's not forget the irresistible feeling of saving some coin. But hold on. Before you go full-on chemist in your kitchen, we need to talk about some crucial things to avoid. Never, and I mean never, put undiluted essential oils directly on your skin. It's like setting your face on fire. Exfoliation is amazing, but too much is like using sandpaper on your face. Keep it to 2 to 3 times a week, max. Would you eat a whole cake without tasting it first? Always patch test new ingredients to avoid a bad reaction. Chapter 4. Lemon juice screams photosensitivity and irritation. Choose gentler alternatives for that radiant glow. Chapter 5. Too many active ingredients are like a chaotic party on your face. Stick to 1 or 2 for optimal results. Chapter 6. Pay attention to pH levels. Your skin has a delicate balance, and the wrong pH can disrupt its natural harmony. Chapter 7. Would you eat expired food? Check the expiration dates of your ingredients to avoid unwanted reactions. Chapter 8. DIY or not, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Protect your skin from those harmful UV rays every single day. Chapter 9. Steaming hot showers might feel nice, but they strip your skin of its natural oils. Lukewarm water is where it's at. Chapter 10. Moisturizer. Even oily skin needs love. Yes, even oily skin needs hydration. Don't skip the moisturizer. Find one that suits your skin type and thank me later. Chapter 11. Harsh scrubs. Be gentle with your skin. Ditch the harsh scrubs. Opt for gentle exfoliants that won't leave your skin feeling like it went through a cheese grater. Chapter 12. Product order. It matters. Apply your products from thinnest to thickest consistency for optimal absorption. Think of it like building a skincare skyscraper. Chapter 13. Treat your DIY skincare like the precious potions they are. Store them in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency. Chapter 14. Don't go overboard with the amount of product. A little goes a long way, and too much can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Chapter 15. When in doubt, consult a dermatologist. They're the experts and can provide personalized advice for your unique skin. There you have it. Avoid these common mistakes to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Remember, DIY skincare can be amazing when done correctly, but it's crucial to prioritize your skin's health and safety above all else. Don't be afraid to experiment, but always do your research, listen to your skin, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips.